Page 49, example number 1. Here we have 3 examples of converting these numbers into mixed radicals. And this time we again we're taking a look at higher indexes, so with 3 or higher. So in the first example over here, we have a cube root. So I'm going to look at my perfect square root table, perfect cube root table. And over here, I'm going to think of what can I divide this by so that my first number would be a perfect cube root. And if there's anything left over, we'll just go then there. Because I see the 3 zeros here, this is what I think should work. So cube root of 1,000 I know works. It will give me a 10, and then I'll be left with just a 6. So cube root of 1,000 is 10. So cube root 6. So guys, if you notice, this process is entirely similar to the square root questions, right? So here we have a perfect fifth root that we're looking for. So I'm going to quickly start thinking about how I can get that. Probably not going to go even higher than 5 on this because these numbers go up so high, so fast. So we're looking at fifth roots. So 2 to the power of 5 here, it gives me 32. I don't even need to go any higher. I can see that this will work. So fifth root of 32. And then fifth root of 10. So fifth root of 32 gives me 2, and then I am left with fifth root of 10. Okay. For the third example, we're back onto the cube root. And when I look at cube root, I'm thinking of what can I divide it by. It will work for 8, but then everything else is too high. So I am going to write it as cube root of -8 and cube root of 2. And the reason I decided to give the 8 to the negative to the 8 is because when I take a cube root of it, I will be able to bring it out. Okay? And that is what we want to try doing. We want to be able to bring the negative out and leave it out. Not that it's wrong if it goes the other way around. You could have kept that negative inside with a 2. So you could have given this a negative. But in our future math, it would help us to bring the negative out and leave it out. And if we can keep the radicand positive, if that's possible, we want to do that.